Welcome back to Becky Cooks and Happy New Year to you all. Let's make this delicious fried rice together. So, first of all, we'll be marinating our protein, and I'll just marinate. This is a day before New Year, that's the 1st of December. So, it's better to marinate a day before, towards evening, or you marinate like 2 hours before you use. So, I'm adding my garlic and ginger paste, salt. I also added curry powder and a little bit of seasoning cube, crushed seasoning cubes. So you just cover that and put it in your fridge, not freezer now, in your fridge. Let it marinate. So I'll prep the vegetables I'll be using: carrots, green beans, green peas, and the bell peppers. Can you give me a smaller plate? Let me put this one.
You put carrot in my plate.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Not, I want to put this yellow pepper inside.
Why?
I don't have where to put it. I don't want to mix it with the carrot. You be eating from here. When you bring the plate, I'll put the yellow pepper inside that one.
Okay.
Thank you. You rinse it. Hmm? Why?
It was hot at that time. Did you eat pepper?
It doesn't even have any pepper taste. It's sweet.
Try eat it.
Mm. It's not pepper. Taste it and see. No single pepper. Just taste it and tell me what you think.
Which type of pepper is this?
Yellow pepper. They call it capsicum.
And how did they make it?
They plant it in the garden.
And how did they grow?
God made it to grow.
And how did it taste sweet?
So to the main ingredient, the rice. I'm measuring 4 cups of rice. I'm using the Nigerian local rice, big bowl, big bowl brand. So I'm measuring 4 cups, and I'll rinse it very well until the starch on the surface is clear, and you add water and there's no longer any whitish water. Let the water be clear, then you strain it and set aside. So here the water is clear already. I strained and set aside. So I brought out my protein that was marinating since the previous day, and I'm ready to boil it now. So the meat will be delicious to the inside if there's any description like that. So while it's boiling, I'll go ahead and slice the cabbage I'll be using for the coleslaw to pair with the rice. I hate doing this work, like this slicing of cabbage. If you like it, let me know in the comment section. But since I have a very sharp knife, I decided to just go ahead and do it, and it was fun. So to save yourself stress, just get yourself very sharp knife. So to my carrot, I just use this and grate it. Then the meat is well cooked here, and it's time to fry. You let it fry, just give it time, let it fry until it's golden brown like this, and then you strain. To a clean pot, I added little bit of vegetable oil, ginger and garlic paste, and spring onions for the flavor, and let the flavor just go around the entire kitchen and the entire house for a while. And then you pour in your washed, drained rice, and you stir this for about 2 minutes so that the flavor of the ginger, garlic, the onion will marinate into the rice. And then I'm adding in boiling water, so that it will start the process of cooking immediately, so that your rice will not be soggy. So you just add water to an extent that you feel will cook the rice. Let the water just be above the rice. When it dries out and you see it's not done, you can add a little bit of water, but it's better to start gradually. So I added in curry and the rest that you saw. So it's time to mix up all our ingredients together. I added in my spring onion and liver, and then I'll let this mix up for a minute or two, and then I'm adding in my green peppers, my green beans, green peas, and carrots, and then I'm adding in pepper I blended just to give it that a little bit of spiciness to the rice, and then the yellow bell peppers. The taste of the yellow bell pepper is nice, and it enhances the flavor of the entire dish. And then after that has fried for a while, I added in the cooked rice, and then here I'm adding in my sweet corn. You can adjust the taste as you prefer. You can add a little bit more of salt or seasoning. So to our plating, just use a plastic bowl to shape your rice, because it's easier to pull out when you use plastic plates. And here we have it. So come and join me and let's enjoy the sumptuous meal, or you can replicate this in your kitchen and let me know what you think in the comment section. Bye. Thank you for watching.